Viewers, more than 50 drugs, including calcium, vitamin D3 supplements, anti-diabetes pills and high blood pressure medicines, have failed the quality test by India's drug regulator. In its latest monthly drug alert list, the Central Drug Standards Control Organization has declared 53 drugs as not of standard quality. The NSQ alert is in fact generated from random monthly sampling conducted by the state drug officers. Now, vitamin C and D3 tablets, vitamin B complex, vitamin C tablets, antacids, Pan-D, paracetamol tablets, some anti-diabetic drugs which are very easily available and which are given to people by doctors on a regular basis, high blood pressure drugs, and many more are among the 53 top-selling drugs that have failed the quality check by the drug regulator. Now, viewers, the Central Drug Regulator released two lists. One was a list of 48 drugs that failed the quality test, and the other had names of 5 drugs which were declared as spurious, adulterated or misbranded. So should you be concerned? That's the big question that we are asking this afternoon. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Akanksha, who's joining us live for more on this. Akanksha, now, I just mentioned the names of few medicines that are easily available, in pharmacy stores all around us. And, we all are given something or the other on a regular basis. Now, this new report is alarming. How concerned should we be? And could you just decode it for our viewers? Because everybody wants to know how safe are the drugs that we take.
Definitely, this is alarming because more than 50 drugs, and mind you, these are the top-selling drugs that you and I possibly may have taken. And this has come as a part of a report that has been published by the drug regulator. They carry out these sampling, testing every month and come out with a report. Now, in this month's report, more than 50 drugs have failed the test. This includes drugs related to acidity, high blood pressure, also antibiotics, etc. Also very important drugs that people usually take, and these are top-selling drugs like Pantoacid tablet used to treat acidity, calcium tablet, and this is quite a famous one, Shelcol, then Pulmosil injection, and also Clavum 625, that is the antibiotic that people usually take. So all of these have failed the drug test. On its part, the drug regulator has said that this is just a small batch that has failed the test, and this does not mean that the entire lot that is produced all across the country is spurious, is what the drug regulator has said. The companies, on the other hand, have said that the batch that has failed the test has not been manufactured by them. Now, the drug regulator has said that they will carry out the investigation and will see whether that claim that has been made by all these companies that have made these drugs are true or not. So this is a clarification that has come from the companies, but definitely quite alarming because these are the top-selling drugs that are consumed by the people used to treat acidity, high blood pressure, erectile dysfunction, and also several top-selling antibiotics as well.
Right. Akanksha, now the point that you've made, the response that has come from the companies here is very important, and I'd like to discuss that with you in detail in just a bit. Meanwhile, we have also opened our call lines. The numbers are flashing, viewers, at the bottom of your screen. You can call us and share with us your concerns so that we can get them addressed, because here we are talking about drugs, the medicines that, most of us have been taking on a regular basis, and this kind of a report is definitely raising many questions. Akanksha, stay with us. We have our first viewer joining us on the broadcast this afternoon. Hariharan is with us from Chennai. Good afternoon, Hariharan. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. What is it that you would like to say? Any concern that you have? Could you just put your television set on mute? Hariharan, can you hear me?
Yeah, I have a lot of concern.
Hariharan, a small request, please put your television set on mute, and that's a request for all our viewers.
Shares in the Indian industry. Hey, I can hear you. The top shares in the Indian industry are the pharmaceutical shares.
Okay, Hariharan, we are not able to hear you clearly, but appreciate you joining us here on Times Now, and you can call us back again. Let me go back to Akanksha, who continues to be with us, getting us more information on this very, very important story that concerns each one of us across India.